All right, guys, so today we're going to demonstrate how to tape a knee for someone who sustained an LCL injury. So the LCL is a ligament complex that lies on the outside of the knee joint there. Normally this occurs when someone's playing either footy or soccer, has got tackled, and then knee goes into what we call a Varus position. So this can occur if someone comes in the inside of the knee as well through a direct force and creates an overstretching of the outside ligament through there. So to start off, I'll get Tiana to place her heel on the tape and then just bend her knee slightly. So that ensures that her knee's at that 30 degrees of knee flexion. And from there, we'll start with our 2 anchor points. For anyone with knee sensitivity or skin sensitivity, you can lay down some hyperfix underneath the anchor points as well. So for the first one, we'll start a few centimeters above the knee and going around halfway. And for the second one, a few centimeters below the knee on the calf, and again, just halfway. We don't go around the full thigh or the full calf just to ensure that there's no unrestricted or restricted blood flow, And we're just going to lay the tape in a cross directly over that LCL. We'll lay one straight over the top. No tension required, just straight over that LCL there. I'm going to do a few more layers depending on how much support the patient requires. One more. So once that's all done, we'll lay it over with some GoLevita EAB or stretchy tape just to reinforce the taping together. And essentially what you're trying to do is just follow the more supportive, rigid taping. All the way around the knee, come up, follow that rigid taping. And again, depending on how much support the patient requires, you can go over a couple of times. And one more. After that, cut it off. And just make sure you lock it all down with some rigid and lock the stretchy tape off. And there you have it.